Another amazing I'm going to hit today. On the 26th of July 2023, we also got inside Perämiehenkatu Styrmanskaton 9 Stekes A, and we filled the Stekes B here also. Secures that one as well. It was built in 1963. 60 years old this year, 2023, by ValmetSchlieren, and 6 floors. I like that style there also.
Okay.
And it's here in, is it Punavuori also?
Yes.
Yes, Punavuori, Redbergen, Helsinki, Fors, Åsmon, and Finland, and close to Eiro. And Eiro son.
Yeah.
Eiro Shore and the Simpress VS 407 is going to be inspected next year, 2024. Let's take 2 rides here. Oh, I love the smell in here.
Nice.
What is that? That's not okay.
Yeah.
I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know what that
Yeah,
was.
it's because it's maintained by Spalhissi.
Yeah, but do you think we can still...
Yeah, probably.
But if we press... What happens then?
Yeah, you can try it.
I don't
Yeah.
know.
Yeah. No.
No.
10 to first.
Yeah.
Ah.
It's not working then.
Yeah.
What should we do then?
And Matthias. Huh?
Second floor.
Yeah. Strange.
Yeah. Unfortunately. Oh.
Inspected by Lift Institute and maintained by Spalhissi.
Really strange.
Yeah.
And then they're just gonna badly modernize it because of
Yeah.
this, because of the bad
Yeah.
maintenance.
Yeah.
There was nothing wrong with the elevator, but the maintenance was of course bad.
Yeah. I think first floor
But-
best work, but we had.
No, I'm afraid now.
Yeah,
Second
but
floor.
no. Ah,
No,
strange.
no, it will not work. It will not.
Third floor. Strange.
4.
Yeah. Oh, now it works, but no.
Yeah,
And
I don't know.
I don't know.
No, I don't. I'm afraid it. But yeah, I said it.
Yeah.
That's what will
We
happen.
have to try it. No.
If you press it long enough.
Yeah, probably.
Oh my god.
I don't know, but
It's scary. You know, it's so old
yeah,
and what they are saying about this, unfortunately,
yeah,
that's the problem.
yeah. So no, the first floor.
Yeah, because this was really scary. Oh. This should not happen to
Yeah.
these old ones, unfortunately. But at least we still got to run it fully.
That's
That's it. Thank you very much.